Xin chào tất cả các bạn. Mình là Danny Trường. Hi, I'm Danny Trường. Welcome to Easy Vietnamese with Danny. Ngày hôm nay mình sẽ giới thiệu cho các bạn 29 chữ cái trong bảng mẫu tự tiếng Việt. Today I'm going to introduce you Vietnamese alphabet with 29 letters. This video is quite long, so please take a cup of coffee or tea with you before we start. Bắt đầu nha. Let's get started. For learning Vietnamese, I would love to spend 2 minutes talking about the basic rules. You can skip if you already know it. Modern Vietnamese alphabet has 29 letters. It makes of two groups. We have 12 vowel letters and 17 consonant letters. Besides that, we also have diphthong, triphthongs, functions as combined vowels and consonants. When we combine a consonant letter with a vowel letter, we have a word. Take an example. Consonant letter B combined with vowel letter A, we have a word ba, father, dad. Then we put the tongues into the word. How many tongues in Vietnamese? Có bao nhiêu thanh điệu trong tiếng Việt? We have 6 tongues. Different tongues carry different meanings. So we have ba, bà, bá, bả, bả, and bả. Comment below if you want me to make videos about Vietnamese tongues. Now, listen, repeat, and write after me. Now, first letter. A, 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 a. As is a rounded and central vowel. When we pronounce A, our mouth wide open. The tongue is in the lowest position, like father, cam, or heart in English. So which word is adding? Con cá, fish. A. It is pronounced shorter than a. Cái cặp, a bag. Ấm trà, bờ, like book or balloon in English. Con bò, cờ, cái áo, giờ, trái dừa, coconut. Đờ, đu đủ, e. E is a low rung and unrounded vowel. When we pronounce e, our mouth will wide open and the tongue will be close to the lower front teeth. E, trái me. Con dê. A is also used in informal conversation when we want to call our friends or the people who are younger than us. A. G. Con gà. H. Hoa hồng. I. is a high front and unrounded vowel. When we pronounce E, our lips will widespread, like smile in English. Mái in, mái in. Ca, 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 ca. Cây kem, cây kem. L, 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 l. Lạc đà, lạc đà. Mơ, 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 mơ. Con mèo, con mèo. Meow. Nơ, 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 nơ. Cái nón, cái nón. A hat. O, 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 o. It is rounded vowel. Con chó, con chó. Ô, 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 ô. Ô tô, ô tô. Ơ, 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 ơ. Trái ớt, trái ớt. Spicy. Pờ, 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 pờ. Cục pin, cục pin. We, món quà, món quà. R, 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 r. I know this is one of the most difficult letters. It takes time to practice. When we pronounce r, our tongue have to curl. Sầu riêng, sầu riêng. Durian. Sh, 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 sh. Chim sẻ, chim sẻ. Tờ, 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 tờ. Cái tủ, cái tủ. U, 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 u. Hát ru, hát ru. Ư, 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 ư. Sư tử, sư tử. Vờ, 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 vờ. Tivi, tivi. Sờ, 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 sờ. With this letter, we don't need to curve our tongue. Cái xẻng, cái xẻng. Y, 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 y. So we have two y in Vietnamese. The first one we call y ngắn, but the last one we call y dài. So it depends on the word and depends on a sentence that we use, which e is suitable for the situation. Yeah! Chúc mừng, congratulations, you have done on it. Most learners, they give up or they lost their interest. So the question here is, what's next? My recommendation for you takes around 1 week practice pronunciations and vocabulary. Then come back this video again and check it to see if you could read this word. Lastly, don't forget to like, share with your friends or subscribe this channel if you like the video. Cảm ơn và hẹn gặp lại. Thank you.